Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make Kappa Maki, traditional Japanese cucumber sushi roll. You will need 400 grams of cooked Japanese rice, 1 cucumber, 3 nori seed, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, half tablespoon of sugar, a half teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Blend rice vinegar, salt and sugar well to make sushi vinegar. Step 2. Transfer the cooked rice to a large bowl and gradually pour the sushi vinegar mixture over the rice while gently mixing it with the rice paddle. Step 3. Cover the bowl with a wet cloth while preparing the ingredients. Allow the rice to cool to room temperature before using it for making sushi rolls. Step 4. Divide a nori sheet in half. Follow the lines on the seaweed and cut along their direction with your hand or scissors. Step 5. Trim off both ends of a cucumber and slice it lengthwise into 6 equal pieces. Adjust the length to match the size of the nori sheet if the cucumber is longer. Step 6. Place the bamboo sushi mat and nori sheet. Wet your hands with water. Grab the sushi rice and evenly spread the rice on the nori sheet using your hand. Step 7. Place the cucumber in the center of the rice. Use your middle finger to hold down the cucumber and start rolling from the front until the end of the rice. Step 8. Wet the knife with a damp cloth and cut the sushi roll in half. Align the two halves of the sushi rolls and cut them into thirds. Serve the Kappa Maki with soy sauce for dipping. You can also serve them with wasabi and pickled ginger on the side. I hope you will enjoy these easy Kappa Maki, Japanese cucumber sushi rolls. Thanks for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe.